Hey, hey. Well, you know how it is. We end our day super early, always before that lunchtime hour. Only at the profit room, guys. Lock it in, enjoy life. Let's get into it.
Going on, I'm going to discuss Beyond Meat. I'm going to discuss our thought process when it came to this trade as a swing and why the area above 146 we were going for. And an interesting fact is we provided this last week. So this week is when the trade actually broke out and played out marvelously. Also, our other swings for this week also worked out well, but I'm just going to keep it solely focused on Beyond Meat. The other swings, you can check out the chart QDEL, OSTK, NKLA. Those were great, great trades. Besides that, Beyond Meat, what exactly did we see in this trade last week? Well, if you notice, on this daily chart is where we always take our swings from because we're holding much longer than minutes as compared to us trading on a day trading time frame. With that said, I'm going to discuss two factors for the swing as well as our breakdown on how we day traded Beyond Meat for today. Both positions, meaning being in both sides of the market, first being long the trade, as in we bought it for a swing and sung it for a major profit, and then turn around today, shorting it and also closing our position for a major profit. Always remember within the markets, because we have the ability, the skill, the knowledge to know how to short, you can also profit on both sides. Make money when the stock moves up, as well as making money when the stock moves down. What did we see in Beyond Meat? Well, basically, we saw a nice, strong momentum push that occurred on this particular day, which is the 14th. So, as you can see, our admin Kevin came in and provided a nice chart on the 17th, because what generally happens, we get together as a group, as in our team, and discuss the swings or upcoming swings and trades that we will provide, or even trades as a bonus. Beyond Me in particular did have a nice wide trading range, and therefore we wanted to declare above 146, which happened to be right around here, in order to buy it for an absolute breakout. We also revisited this trade over the weekend because we had a nice strong bar on Friday, and then preparing ourselves Monday for a continuation in that actual trade. Our entry price got triggered, up it went, blast off how it opened today, and some of our members actually took profit today as soon as the market was open, which was the absolute correct thing to do. And this is where I'm going to hop into trader psychology when it comes to day trading a stock just like this. So you have to think about the natural reaction of anyone who actually bought and held it and actually bought in a timely manner. What is the thought process? More than likely, you look at your P&L, you're going to see that you're up significant amount of money, even if it's trading options, right? This thing exploded well over 1,000%. And you can do the math on the shares. It was insane movement. And these are the home runs that we absolutely love them. So the natural thought process is always, how do I realize my profit? You want to realize that game is all about taking money out of the market and being able to repeat the process week after week after week. And that's exactly how we attack when it comes to our swing trades. We teach our students exactly how to think through these trades. And it had a key targeted area. And I always say, this was the all-time high around 239.71. And if we can see within the midst of these candles, there were a lot of pressure, meaning all of these people in this particular area, you have to think about, especially around this time, if you were to buy Beyond Meat and you're holding and it hit a high and all of a sudden it started to fall apart on you. Let's just say, somebody held long and strong. They just held through all of this. So just think, any natural pop up into anywhere around these areas is going to cause people to start selling, especially if they held throughout all of this dump. So you have to just think about that part. You finally want to kind of like maybe take a little bit of a profit, almost break even, because all of these people that bought into here, someone bought into here. Always think in order for a stock to make a high, somebody had to be on the other side of that transaction. So those once upon a time bag holders are now once again in the green, and all that they can think about, oh, you know what, is near my entry price. Let me get rid of these shares. So natural selling come into play, and those who actually perfectly timed it correctly, also that selling thought process came into play, which left a marvelous opportunity for us day traders to come in now and short it just based off of the trader's mentality. So we took this short today, and just looking at the chart, the rest is history. I just wanted to break down the thought process into how you can capitalize on the opportunity of taking a trade like Beyond Meat and capitalizing on the day based off of a simple thought process of, well, there's going to be a lot of traders, a lot of long term holders eventually taking profits off the table.
Okay, yesterday and 9,000 today, between 10 to 30 minutes of our time, usually daily. Yes, we can stick around and make much more until the 4 p.m. closing bell, but it's never about the money. It's always about the freedom.